Hey y'all, happy Friday! So let's do a dark pink makeup tutorial look for Valentine's Day. And in honor for Valentine's Day is tomorrow. I'm so excited to do Valentine's Day looks. So if you want to learn how to do this look I'm going to be doing, please keep watching. So last night I wanted to do like all the colors of the Valentine's Day looks yesterday, but instead I had to study because I think I have a math test coming up on February the 23rd. Because my professor announced the day of the exam yesterday, so I went to tutoring ahead of time yesterday. So the tutor helped me. So I told the tutor, what do I need to study for? Well, I told him, this is what I need to study for. I had to study this, I had to study that. Oh, and sorry that the sun is hitting me, just ignore it. I mean, this is better, but don't mind the forehead. Because I don't know why is it hitting me. But anyways, so I went to tutoring yesterday ahead of time because the professor announced the day of the exam. So I'm praying that I will get at least maybe a B or a C. I do not have to get an A if I don't want to. Just because it's like a math class doesn't mean I had to get at least an A or a B. I don't care if I get a C. That's fine as long as I try my best. By the way, out with this overused sponge that was overused. I'll show you which one. That one I need to replace with this. So out with this old sponge from here. Let's start using this one. So I'm just gonna blend it here because I just put concealer. I want my foundation to look great. Yep, this face makeup's gonna slay for Valentine's. And by the way, today's Friday the 13th, so why not? Today's the day before Valentine's Day. Also, I'm praying that I just wanted to get 200 followers on Instagram because I'm really closer to 200. Because, I don't know, because I've been posting somewhat a lot of my content that I love posting. Let's say more posts on myself wearing my favorite clothes, let's say. Of course, I love playing dress up because why not? Not only that, but I just wanted to keep posting more of the reels on Instagram, posting more TikToks, YouTube videos, of course. I am trying to figure out how am I going to keep posting more like YouTube videos. Because I'm praying that I wanted to get 200 subscribers either by the end of this month or nearly towards the end of March. Not sure, because that really depends how long it takes. And that also depends how much videos you posted, like how many days you post videos. Or let's say how many videos you posted per day. Not to worry, it takes time, but I'm sure you'll get more audience. Because the more content, the more posting, the higher chances that you'll get more subscribers. I already brushed up my eyebrows off camera, so now we're gonna use this palette. And I think I'm gonna go with the dark pink look, the blouse I'm wearing. So let's go with this bright pink color. It's like pink flamingo color. Alright, let's go with this pink color from this palette called Vacay. Again, right here. This is the name of this eyeshadow color. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Just let me know in the comments. I'll put in the comments. if I'm saying this word right or wrong, is that's the colored eyeshadow that I'm gonna wear. And if the dark pink doesn't work out, that's fine. At least I did my best at my ability. Because I love the dark pink color. Is it a good color for Valentine's? I think the dark pink turns out so good. Okay. But it's almost closer to what I'm wearing. Alright, so I'm gonna put on an eyeliner. I want to eyeliner on a waterline because my makeup's gonna slay for Valentine's. For today. Again, tomorrow is Valentine's Day, but today is the day before. But I'm wearing dark pink today. So it's gonna slay all night. I'm thinking about partying tonight at my place. And honoring that tomorrow's Valentine's Day. And yes, it is my favorite holiday of the winter season. And to mascara. I definitely need a new mascara because I am currently almost running low. So I'm gonna ask my mom if I could either borrow her mascara or just go buy one at a new store. Not sure what I want to do. Again, it's my decision. I can ask my mom either to buy one at a new store or borrow one of hers for now until I get a new one. Because what if I want to put on my mascara, make my lashes go dark? Alright, I'll do the rest. Put on some fake eyelashes and I'll come right back. Alright guys, so I did the lashes. Looks pretty good. Now I'm just gonna go with the lip palette. I think I want to do two colors. So I'm gonna do red first and then we'll do the dark pink. Okay, now final touches. This Fuchsia for Me deep pink lipstick. Okay guys, this is the final look. This is the outfit I'm wearing. But if you want to see the full outfit, okay, here's the full outfit. Oh my god, I love this dark pink. Looks pretty cool on me. By the way, I'm wearing these rose gold high heel sandals. Looks good though. Alright guys, so thanks for watching my dark pink makeup tutorial video for Valentine's Day. So I'm planning to post more videos, like I said, numerous times. I will do my best because I wanted to boost up my audience and get more views for everyone to support me. So if you want to see more of these videos like this, make sure to subscribe. Hit the bell so you don't miss any new content I uploaded. And I want to wish you all a happy Valentine's Day if I don't see you. And see you on my next video. Bye.